first time ChatGPT had come in market, it took internet by storm. Everyone thought it will overtake Google and Amazon. Then, how Google keep them behind in this AI revolution? So, after 3 months, Google launched Google Bard chatbot. And now one question is in everywhere, that, is Google Bard better than ChatGPT? In this video, we are going to discuss on this question. Welcome back to our channel. Before dive into the video, please like and share the video and subscribe our channel to get more videos like this, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get all notifications. Okay, now I open ChatGPT and Google Bard in different tabs. You can see both tools look like this. You can access both the tool through your Gmail ID or Google account. The extra feature in Bard is the microphone command, which is not there in ChatGPT. But the main difference between these tools is, ChatGPT is not internet connected. It has no present time access. It gives answers based upon the data up to 2021, but Google Bard is internet connected, so it can give answers of present time questions. Let's try to ask a question to both the tools. First, asking to Google Bard, write the name of recent released movies in Hollywood in 2023. And this is the answer. Okay, let's see the answers are right or wrong. So, you can see Bard's answers are right. Now asking the same question to ChatGPT. Let's see the answer. As you can see, it don't have real-time data. Okay, now asking another question to ChatGPT. Tell me the difference between ChatGPT and Google Bard. As you can see, ChatGPT takes time to give answer. See, it cannot give the answer because before 2021 Google Bard had not been launched. It only answered about ChatGPT. Now write the same question on Bard. Here you can see, it is showing the answer. And it has another extra feature, you can see the different types of answers by changing drafts. As this tool is an experimental process, it can give inaccurate answers. You can see it showing ChatGPT is paid and Google Bard is free, but we know ChatGPT is also free to use. And here it's showing different answer. So, Google Bard can do mistake. Now let's see, can Google Bard write a YouTube video script or not? Okay, the title of a YouTube video is 5 Shocking Story of Amazon Forest. Write the script for this video. Okay, this is the video script. Now see what ChatGPT write. This is the ChatGPT's answer. See, the differences are, Google Bard can answer more faster than ChatGPT, but the answer is more perfect and accurate in ChatGPT. So after seeing all the results, we can say that, in terms of accuracy and perfection in answers, ChatGPT is better than Google Bard, but on the basis of features and real-time access, Google Bard overtakes ChatGPT, and as Google Bard still is in experimental phase, maybe in future Google Bard can be the most powerful AI tool. Hope you like the video. To get more AI-related videos, follow our channel. Thank you.